Hello guys, see, this is my INMOTION V8. I already opened everything and I forget to make video for you guys how to that I done this. But the point here, who wanna see the motor for the NINEBOT for INMOTION V8? Wait, let's put out this bad girl. You know guys why the reason I opened the INMOTION? Because it doesn't want to wait a minute. I'll try to open it. Yeah, look. It's metal, like dish for food for chilled people. And what's written inside? 923. This is INMOTION, right? Like this by hand? I can't believe this. Anyway, guys, see what's inside. You know the reason why I opened this INMOTION? You know why? Because when I walk, I hear itching inside the disc. I thought sand, I thought it's dust or some stones enter, but there is nothing. I'll try to figure why I have this reason, why I have this voice. And there is a guy, he's fixing INMOTION. He say a lot of INMOTION have this issue. So I don't understand why everything seems to be okay. As you guys see, I don't know. Maybe maybe here something broken. I mean, but why? Here's motherboard connected here. This is dangerous issue here to play on it. Because if you mess with anything, you may fuck your wheel. So guys, I don't know. I open it complete, everything. As you see guys there, I don't know even I can back it again or no, but anyway, I see that there is no any problem. So why this voice? I can't understand. Anyway, I will try to figure out, and anyone, I will tell you in the comment down below. So this is what inside the INMOTION V8, inside the disc exactly. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will now unbox my Genesis 9000 Oral P. But I have a lot of things to do guys, I don't know, I don't have time. So please guys, as usual, I'm not gonna speak this time. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't like, thumbs in the middle. Peace and love and money for everyone.